Well, Sarah, last month, the president suggested when he was defending the use of hydroxychloroquine, he suggested that he might take it himself. And when he was asked after an event at the White House whether he stood by that, the president said he approached the White House doctor a couple weeks ago and asked to take it as a preventative. He said that he is taking it daily with zinc and that he feels good so far. This is an interesting revelation, especially considering the testimony last week by the former top vaccine official in the country who alleged that he was removed from his job because he thought the administration was overhyping hydroxychloroquine and did not believe that science defended the administration's position. Now, the White House has said that is simply not the case, but President Trump today says that it's safe, that he's taking it, and that so far he feels okay. Sarah and Wilf?
Kayla, thanks very much for that. Let's bring in Meg Terrell as well. Meg, this drug is clearly FDA approved, so it's safe. The question, of course, is whether there's any point in taking it. And, of course, we also bring up the issue, which Kayla was alluded to, whether other people will try and follow, even if that's not the official guidelines from the experts.
Well, we've already seen prescriptions for hydroxychloroquine spike as a result of all of this attention, particularly from President Trump's briefings, where he mentions it so many times. In terms of its safety, you know, it is an FDA-approved drug for malaria and for autoimmune diseases like lupus and similar conditions, but it's not perfectly safe. I mean, there are documented issues for people who have heart problems in terms of taking the drug. And so that is a worry in its use and is something that the FDA itself has actually warned about. So, you know, President Trump says he's taking it as a preventive, and this is something that's being studied in a lot of different clinical trials. We don't have data yet on how well that works. The data we do have about the drug as a treatment when people have COVID-19 aren't extremely positive. They haven't really shown that the drug has a major benefit in terms of helping people in that scenario. But of course, the president doesn't have the disease. He's taking it as a preventive. He's also somebody who, unlike healthcare workers, is not coming into contact, presumably, with a lot of people with COVID-19. So it is a little bit of a head scratcher that he is taking it. But of course, this is something he's been touting for a long time, and he's sort of putting his money where his mouth is, so to speak.